everyone, welcome back to Easy Talk English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sam.
Today, we're going to talk about something that makes a lot of people nervous.
Airport security.
Yes, going through airport security can be stressful, especially if you're traveling to another country.
And especially if English isn't your first language.
Exactly. So today, we're going to have a real conversation about airport security.
We'll talk about what happens, what they ask you, and how to answer.
We'll use simple English, real English, the kind of English you'll actually hear at the airport.
This is perfect for travelers, English learners, or anyone who gets nervous at airports.
So grab your imaginary passport.
And let's learn together.
All right, let's begin.
Hey, Sarah, how's your day going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about airports today.
Airports? Why?
Well, I'm traveling next month
Oh, nice. Where are you going?
to visit my sister in California.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, I'm excited, but also a little nervous.
Nervous? Why?
You know, the whole airport thing, security checks, lines, showing documents.
Ah, yeah. Airport security can be stressful.
It really can, even though I've done it a million times.
Same here. I still get a little anxious.
Really? You too?
Oh, yeah. Every single time.
That makes me feel better.
You're definitely not alone.
So let's talk about it. What's the first thing that happens when you get to the airport?
Well, first you check in.
Right, you go to your airline's counter.
Or you use the self-check-in machine.
Oh, I always use the machine now.
Me too. It's faster.
And you don't have to talk to anyone.
That's a bonus for some people.
So you print your boarding pass at the machine.
Yep. And if you have bags to check, you take them to the backdrop.
Okay, so let me ask you something.
Sure.
What do they usually ask you at the bag drop?
They usually ask, did you pack these bags yourself?
Yes, they always ask that.
And has anyone given you anything to carry?
Right, those are the two main questions.
And you just say, yes, I packed them myself, and no, no one gave me anything.
Exactly, simple answers.
But you have to answer clearly. Don't joke around.
Oh, definitely not. Security is serious.
Very serious.
Okay, so after you check your bags, what's next?
Next, you go through security.
And this is where people get nervous.
For sure, because there are a lot of rules.
And a lot of things you can't bring.
Right, like liquids.
Oh my gosh, the liquid rule.
Everyone forgets about the liquid rule.
I've had so many bottles of water thrown away.
Me too. I always forget to empty my water bottle before security.
It's so annoying.
I know, but it's the rule.
So, can you explain the liquid rule for everyone watching?
Sure, you can only bring liquids in containers that are 3.4 ounces or smaller.
That's 100 milliliters.
Right, and all your liquids have to fit in one small clear plastic bag.
Like a quart-size bag.
Exactly, one bag per person.
And it has to be clear so they can see what's inside.
Yep, no exceptions.
Unless you buy liquids after security.
That's true. Once you're past security, you can buy water, coffee, whatever.
But it's usually more expensive.
Always more expensive.
Okay, so let's walk through the security line step by step.
Good idea.
So you're standing in line. What do you need to have ready?
You need your boarding pass and your ID.
Or your passport if you're traveling internationally.
Right. The security officer will check them.
What do they usually say?
They usually say, boarding pass and ID, please.
And you just hand them over?
Yep. They'll look at your ID, look at you, and look at your boarding pass.
To make sure everything matches.
Exactly. They're checking that the name on your ID matches the name on your boarding pass.
And they might ask you a question or two.
Like what?
Like, where are you traveling today?
Oh yeah, just answer simply. Los Angeles, or wherever you're going.
No need to give a long story.
Definitely not. Just keep it short and clear.
All right, so after they check your documents, what happens next?
Next, you go to the screening area.
This is the part with the conveyor belts and the x-ray machines.
Right. And this is where you have to take things out of your pockets.
Everything?
Pretty much.
keys, coins, phone, wallet.
Jewelry?
Sometimes. If it's big or metal, yes.
I always take off my watch.
Good idea. Better safe than sorry.
What about shoes?
Ah, good question. In the US, you usually have to take off your shoes.
Really?
Yeah, unless you have TSA PreCheck.
What's that?
It's a program where you can go through a faster security line, and you don't have to take off your shoes or belt.
Oh, that sounds nice.
It is, but you have to apply for it and pay a fee.
How much?
I think it's about $85 for 5 years.
That's not too bad if you travel a lot.
Exactly. It's worth it for frequent travelers.
So let's talk about the bins.
The bins?
Yeah, those gray plastic bins you put your stuff in.
Oh, right.
What do you put in the bins?
Okay, so you put your shoes in a bin.
Your laptop?
Yes, laptops have to come out of your bag and go in a separate bin.
What about tablets, like iPads?
I think it depends on the airport. Some places say yes, some say no.
So just ask if you're not sure?
Exactly. Just ask the TSA officer.
Okay, what else goes in the bins?
Your jacket or coat.
Really?
Yeah, any heavy outer layers.
What about belts?
If your belt has a big metal buckle, take it off.
This is so much to remember.
I know, that's why it's stressful.
But once you do it a few times, it becomes automatic.
That's true. It's like muscle memory.
All right, so you've put everything in the bins. What's next?
Next, you walk through the metal detector.
Or the body scanner.
Right. Some airports have those full body scanners.
What's the difference?
The metal detector is just a doorway that beeps if you have metal on you.
And the body scanner?
That's the one where you stand with your feet apart and your hands up.
Oh, I've done that before.
Yeah, it looks kind of funny.
It does, but it only takes a few seconds.
Right, and they're checking for anything hidden under your clothes.
Do you get to choose which one you go through?
Usually, no. They tell you which one to use.
Okay, and what if the machine beeps?
Then they'll do an additional check.
A pat down?
Sometimes. Or they might just use a handheld metal detector.
To find out what made it beep.
Exactly. It's usually something innocent, like a forgotten coin in your pocket.
Or underwire in a bra.
Yes, that happens all the time.
It's so embarrassing.
Don't worry about it. TSA agents see it every day.
That's true.
You know what I always worry about?
What?
Forgetting something in my pockets.
Oh, me too.
I always double check, triple check.
And then I still worry.
Exactly. One time I forgot a pen in my pocket.
And the machine beeped?
Yep, they had to pat me down to find it.
That must have been embarrassing.
It was. I felt so silly.
Did they say anything?
The officer was actually really nice. He just said, it happens all the time.
See, they're used to it.
Yeah, most TSA officers are pretty understanding.
As long as you're polite and cooperative.
Exactly. Just be respectful and follow their instructions.
Okay, so let's say you make it through the scanner without any problems.
Great.
What do you do next?
You collect your stuff from the conveyor belt.
Your bags, your shoes, your laptop.
Right, and you put everything back where it belongs.
Do you ever feel rushed when you're doing this?
Oh, always.
Me too.
There are people behind you and you're trying to put your shoes back on.
And repack your laptop.
And put your belt back on.
While balancing everything.
It's like a juggling act.
I always step to the side.
That's smart.
Yeah, I grab my stuff and move away from the belt. Then I can take my time reorganizing.
I should start doing that.
It makes it way less stressful.
Can I share a funny story?
Please do.
Okay, so one time I was going through security.
Uh-huh.
And I forgot I had a sandwich in my backpack.
A sandwich?
Yeah, I made it that morning for the plane.
Okay.
Well, when my bag went through the x-ray machine, they stopped it.
Oh no.
Yeah, they pulled my bag aside and asked, "What's in here?"
And you said,
"Just my lunch."
what did they say?
They opened my bag, looked at the sandwich, and said, "Okay, you're good to go."
That's it?
That's it, but I was so nervous.
I bet. I would have been nervous too.
I thought I was in trouble.
But sandwiches are allowed?
Yeah, food is allowed. It just looked suspicious on the x-ray, I guess.
That's so funny.
I laugh about it now, but at the time, my heart was pounding.
You know what's really annoying?
What?
When you pack something you're not supposed to bring.
Oh yeah, like what?
Like a big bottle of shampoo.
Ah, yeah, that's over the liquid limit.
And you don't realize until you're at security.
And then they make you throw it away.
Exactly. I've lost so much expensive shampoo.
Why don't you just pack it in your check bag?
I know, I should, but I always forget.
What about those travel size bottles?
Oh, I have those now. I learned my lesson.
Good.
But it took me losing 3 bottles of shampoo to figure it out.
What else can't you bring through security?
Sharp objects.
Like knives?
Yeah, any kind of blade.
What about scissors?
Small scissors are okay, but the blades have to be less than 4 inches.
Interesting. What about tools?
Most tools aren't allowed, like screwdrivers, hammers, wrenches.
Basically anything that could be used as a weapon.
Exactly. They're very strict about that.
What about nail clippers?
Those are allowed.
And razors?
Disposable razors are fine, but straight razors aren't.
This is all good to know.
Yeah, if you're not sure about something, you can check the TSA website.
Oh, there's a website?
Yeah, it's tsa.gov. They have a whole list of what's allowed and what's not.
That's super helpful.
It really is. I check it before every trip now. Okay, let's talk about international travel.
Good idea. It's a bit different.
How so?
Well, you go through the same security screening,
Right.
but when you land in another country, you have to go through customs.
Ah, yes, customs.
That's where they check your passport and ask you questions.
What kind of questions?
Usually, what's the purpose of your visit?
And you say,
Tourism, or business, or visiting family.
keep it simple?
Exactly. Don't overthink it.
What else do they ask?
How long are you staying?
So you tell them 1 week or 2 weeks or whatever.
Right. Just answer honestly.
And they might ask, where are you staying?
Yeah, just tell them the name of your hotel. Or if you're staying with friends, say that.
Do they ever ask to see proof?
Sometimes, it's good to have your hotel reservation printed or on your phone.
Just in case.
Exactly. Have you ever been nervous going through customs?
Oh yeah, every time.
Really?
I don't know why. I haven't done anything wrong.
I know that feeling.
I just get nervous when authority figures ask me questions.
Same, even if I have nothing to hide.
It's like I suddenly feel guilty.
Exactly. Like, did I accidentally break a rule?
Yes, that's exactly how I feel.
But usually customs is pretty quick.
Yeah, they ask a few questions, stamp your passport, and you're done.
The key is just to stay calm and answer clearly,
Right, don't act suspicious.
even though you feel suspicious.
Exactly. What about declaring items?
Oh, that's important.
What do you mean by declaring?
It means telling customs if you're bringing certain items into the country,
Like what?
like a lot of cash.
How much is a lot?
In the U.S., if you're carrying more than $10,000, you have to declare it.
Wow, that's a lot of cash.
Yeah, most people don't carry that much.
What else do you have to declare?
Food items.
Really?
Yeah, many countries have strict rules about bringing in food, plants, or animal products
Why?
to prevent diseases and pests from spreading.
That makes sense.
So if you're bringing food, you need to declare it.
What if you don't?
You could get fined, or they'll just confiscate it.
Better to just declare it then.
Absolutely, it's not worth the risk. You know what's the worst part of airport security?
What?
The waiting.
Oh, the lines.
Yes, sometimes the lines are so long.
Especially during holidays.
Or summer vacation time.
I once waited an hour to get through security.
An hour? That's terrible.
I know, and I was worried I'd miss my flight.
Did you make it?
Barely. I ran to the gate.
That's so stressful.
It really was. Now I always arrive extra early.
That's smart. How early do you get there?
For domestic flights, at least 2 hours before.
And for international?
3 hours.
That's a good rule.
Yeah, I'd rather wait at the gate than stress about missing my flight.
Absolutely.
Let's talk about some useful phrases.
Oh, good idea.
So, when you're at security, what might the officer say to you?
They might say, please remove your shoes.
Or take out your laptop.
Empty your pockets.
Step forward, please.
Arms up if you're going through the body scanner.
Right, so you just need to follow their instructions.
What if you don't understand?
Just politely say, I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
Or, I didn't understand. Could you say it again?
They're usually pretty patient.
As long as you're trying your best.
Exactly.
What if your English isn't very good?
That's okay. Security officers are used to helping people who don't speak English well.
They see travelers from all over the world.
Right. so don't be embarrassed.
Just stay calm and do your best.
And remember, a lot of it is nonverbal.
What do you mean?
Like they'll point to the bin or gesture for you to move forward.
Oh, that's true. You can follow their body language.
Exactly. You don't need perfect English to get through security.
That's a good point.
All right, let's do a quick role play.
A role play?
Yeah, I'll be the TSA officer. You be the traveler.
Okay, this should be fun.
All right, boarding pass and ID, please.
Here you go.
Where are you traveling today?
To New York.
Okay, thank you. You can proceed to the screening area.
Thank you.
See, that was easy.
It really was.
Let's do another one. Now you're going through the scanner.
Okay.
Sir, please empty your pockets and remove your shoes.
Like this?
Yes, thank you. Now step into the scanner and put your arms above your head.
Okay.
Hold still. Okay, you're all set. You can collect your belongings.
Thank you.
Perfect.
That wasn't so scary.
See, when you practice, it feels easier. Mike, what's your #1 tip for getting through airport security smoothly?
I'd say be prepared.
Be prepared?
Yeah. Know the rules before you go. Pack smart. Have your documents ready.
That's good advice.
What about you?
I'd say stay calm.
Stay calm?
Yeah, even if something goes wrong, even if they pull your bag aside, just stay calm and polite.
That's really important. Getting nervous or defensive doesn't help.
You're right. Cooperation is key.
Exactly. You know what else helps?
What?
Wearing easy shoes.
Easy shoes?
Yeah, like slip-on shoes, so you can take them off and put them back on quickly.
Oh, that's smart.
I learned that the hard way. I used to wear boots with laces.
That must have taken forever.
It did. Now I wear slip-ons when I travel.
I do the same thing. Makes everything faster.
And less stressful.
Okay, everyone, we've covered a lot today.
We really have.
Airport security, customs, what to pack, what not to pack,
Useful phrases, tips for staying calm.
and we did a little role play.
That was fun.
So what's the main takeaway?
I think the main takeaway is don't be afraid.
Right. Airport security isn't as scary as it seems.
As long as you're prepared and polite, you'll be fine.
And remember, TSA officers are just doing their job.
They're there to keep everyone safe.
So cooperate with them and the process will go smoothly.
Exactly.
Before we finish, I want to say one more thing.
What's that?
If you're planning to travel and you're nervous about airport security,
Yeah,
just take a deep breath.
good advice.
You're going to be okay.
Millions of people go through airport security every single day.
And they all make it through just fine.
You will too.
Just follow the rules, be polite, and stay calm.
And if you don't understand something, ask.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Security officers are there to help you.
That's right. All right, everyone. That's all for today.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope this conversation helped you feel more confident about airport security.
And helped you learn some useful English phrases.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
So watch this video again if you need to.
And if you have questions, leave them in the comments.
We read every comment.
And we'll try to answer them.
All right. Safe travels, everyone.
See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.